Everybody cut. Everybody cut. Everybody cut. Everybody cut.
Woo! What is going on, superstars? Happy Monday, baby. New week, new day, new goals, new mindset. Gotta take new actions. Woo! It's a chilly 30 degrees out here, but we're about to go kick it. You guys gotta go kick it. We got Monday Night Football, baby. Things haven't been looking too good. Maybe they can pull it together tonight. Let's go, Birds. Give me a go, Birds. Go out and get it, my friends. Let's go!
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.